Hello everyone! Today at DigiWiz, we are going to be making the electric tank. First things first, take out your pack and lay it out on the table. Next, take out all your parts and lay them out correctly on your workstation. Finally, take out your instructions and get ready to make your electric tank. When you have everything laid out as shown in the instructions, we're ready to start. First things first, look at our instruction manual. On our third slide, we see we need to paste our double-sided glue tapes onto the two battens. So let's do it. Just as you see in the picture below, paste each double-sided glue part onto the batten. Make sure you're putting them on the right side of the batten. To do this, we need to make sure that we're putting it on the side that's closest to the small holes in the side of the batten, as shown in our instruction manual. When you have this done, we're ready for our next step. Next, we're going to place our wood board onto the top of our two battens, like in the instruction manual. When you're done, it should look like this. Next, we're going to install two shafts and then use our orange sleeves to limit the position of the shafts. To do this, we're going to put our two silver rods through the holes on the battens straight through to the other side. And at the very end, we're going to put on our two orange circles in place so that our silver rods don't move around when they're securely fastened, just like in the instruction manual. Make sure you leave enough room to securely add your wheels and that they'll turn smoothly. When that's done, it should look like this. And you're ready for your next step. Next, we're going to get our circuit, and we're going to connect it as shown in the picture on our instruction manual. Make sure you're putting the red and black leads in the right places, as shown in the picture. We're going to connect these two rod ends to our circuit by fastening them to each end of our motor shaft. Next, we're going to use our double-sided glue to paste the battery box and the gear motor onto the chassis in the correct places as shown in our instruction manual. Now we're going to install our belt pulleys, which go on either side of our circuit, as shown in the instruction manual. When it's done, it should look like this. Next, we're going to insert the wood rod into the wood piece. Wrap the rubber band onto the end of the wood rod until it looks like this. Now we're going to use our double-sided glue to paste this wooden structure we just made onto the top of our electric tank, just like in the photo on our instruction manual. Now we're finally ready to add our elastic band around our wheels and then put in our batteries on our battery box. And then put in our batteries on our battery box. Make sure they're in correctly, and then turn your switch on. Your tank should go forwards, but if it does go backwards, that means you need to turn your yellow motor box the other way around. Congratulations! You have made an electric tank. Prepare for warfare. Well done. See you next time.